This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Worthen. Life is good in the riverfront. Trails and neighborhood features abound, with optional pool and golf memberships. This condo is modern, upgraded, and low maintenance. Most desirable Lafayette model craftsman style charm in this luxurious condo. West/2 covered porches and dramatic open floor plan on upper level, ideal for entertaining. Offers BDRMS on lower level. Large, open kitchen with premium finishes, including custom cabinets. West/42 uppers, light granite counters, tile backsplash, large bar island, updated light fixtures, gas stove, high-end stainless steel appliances, fans in each bedroom. This condo is modern, upgraded, and low maintenance. Life is good in the riverfront. Trails and neighborhood features abound, with optional pool and golf memberships. Condo fees include trash pickup and lawn maintenance. Convenient to shopping, hospitals, movie theater, eatery.